Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, starting with the name of Allah, who is the Lord of God and King of Kings. This is Rahim Khan, and this is Rahim Khan and Jim Rohan about making a decision. So at the first, you would have to look at yourself, because you are the practical image of the decision that you have made in the past. So how are you looking, how are you talking, how are you interacting, and how are you performing? It's because of the decision that you have made in your life. And what you will be, it's because of the decisions what are you making right now. So in my point of view, making a decision does matter. And there are two types of the decision. The first one is emotional decision. So don't follow the emotional decision, because emotions are blind. And emotions, you are energetic and you are excited, but it's too difficult for you to sustain your decision. And the second decision, it is a rational decision. So rational decision include and based on the facts and figure. You can easily sort out either you are going in the wrong direction or right direction, because you have the facts and figure. And that's also include at the short term and long terms. So you can sort out your goals, your way, either you are going in a particular direction, it's moving you toward your goals or not. So I prefer it to make a rational decision, and always those people who have succeeded in their lives, they always make their decision on the basis of their rationals. So have a good day, thanks.
Great, thank you, very good.